morning everyone. Welcome to my channel Informatica Hub. I hope you guys are doing absolutely good. So basically in this video I'm going to talk regarding VIT as mentioned in the thumbnail as well as in title, that is Vellore Institute of Technology. So basically why I have taken this college, because first of all I like to introduce myself. I'm an IT guy and yes, I am in an initiative in order to aware all the candidates across my country about the colleges, IT companies, placement, technology experience, on-site experience, means lots about school to college, college to corporate. Even I talk regarding multiple technology, how you can work in order to gain those things, what are the things that you should definitely take care while you are switching from campus to corporate, even from school to college. So basically what is happening right now, like many of the candidates are an aspirant of engineering in our country, because we know if you are into the science stream, mostly more than 50% probability are there, you are preferring for some engineering college seat, you are preferring for IIT JEE, you are preferring for any private engineering college. Now thing is like, what happened in our country, that most of you take admission in wrong college, where placements are not good, where the things are like where you are destroyed, your 4 years is destroyed, again you have to plan for a master's. This happened, not everyone, means see IITs and ITs and NITs and triple ITs and all are there, means seats are limited now. If I'm talking about IITs, NITs, triple ITs, what is there? The seats are limited, and somewhere like if there are 30k seats, I'm taking an approx, and 10 lakhs candidate appearing, somewhere 9,70,000 candidates have to sacrifice, and out of this 9,70,000, 2 lakhs are serious aspirant that you have to accept. 2 lakhs are the serious aspirant. 8 lakhs, yes, they want to do if they get, and if they get they will do, or if they not, they will plan for private engineering college. But yes, even though you are choosing that, you have to be very precise that whether it's good for you, whether it's good for you or not, whether you should go there or not, what are your future goals, what exactly you are planning, why you should go. First of all, the things should be clear why you should go, because it's not like that taking an admission is just a cakewalk. You just go pay 20 lakhs of fees and at the end you are not aware what exactly you have to do. Basically you should be having some length. See, every point of time you can decide what can be your life next, because that's the fact. Only at the point you can make a move. But the thing is like, if you are prepared that what exactly where you want to see yourself, what exactly your plan, how you much see in India we live, there are diversity of people. Someone can afford 5 lakhs, someone can afford 10 lakhs, someone can afford 20 lakhs. So I would be suggesting you multiple college on the basis of that. So ये सब पहले साइड करो, पहले VIT Vellore के बारे में बात करो, whether VIT Vellore is good for you or not. Because I would be telling about VIT Vellore because I know deep inside that, because I will try to just share something that is very genuine. So do watch this video till end. See, VIT Vellore has its campuses in Vellore, okay, Chennai, Amravati and Bhopal. Okay, now you might be thinking कि कहाँ लेना सही रहेगा, कहाँ अच्छी है, कहाँ खराब है. ये सारे सवाल आएंगे आपके मन में. क्या वेलोर में CSE लेना मतलब 10 करोड़ की पैकेज, या फिर चेन्नई में CSE लेना मीन्स 8 CR की पैकेज. So first of all I would like to tell you, see, all colleges are good. See, if you affiliated with VIT, it's like you will be getting a degree that is given by Vellore Institute of Technology only. Thing is like, crowd is different. Suppose in VIT Vellore the crowd of 10k rank will be there, in Chennai 20k rank will be there. I'm just giving an example. In Amravati 30k rank will be there, in Bhopal 40k rank will be there. So as you know that the output of you is the medium, it's the average of all you are around. Okay, so the better you go, the more competition you will face, the better exposure you can get, because you will be among top students. It's not like that who are scoring 20k are not good, 30k is not good, 40k is not good. But I mentioned now, you are the average of all around you. So if you are in the better, definitely everyone wants something better. So Vellore is a good campus as per me. Now why VIT and why not VIT? So first of all I would like to tell you, VIT have announced their VIT EEE 2024. Whether you should fill or not, that will be depending upon multiple factors. See, VIT is based out of four location. If you are okay with these 4 locations, then only you apply for VIT. Otherwise, there is no sense. Okay, if you are okay, like everyone wants an option right now. ITs and ITs, ट्रिपल ITs थापर के बाद बिट्स पिलाने के बाद कुछ तो ऑप्शन चाहिए भाई, कुछ तो लेके चले. तो एग्जामिनेशन की फीस है 1350 रुपए, 1350 रुपीज दे आर asking you to pay in order to appear for VIT 2024, VIT triple 2024. Now, if you are okay with this location, that suppose if the situation comes that you have to join VIT, if you are okay with this location, you are not very much sure that you will be able to crack IITs and IITs, triple IITs, even state government colleges or Thapar University, BITS Pilani, definitely you should appear in this exam. Why I am telling, I will be letting you know. See, Vellore is a very good campus. Okay. Vellore, Chennai, Amaravati, Bhopal. Most of the placement are online, and all the campus students are allowed to sit in the common placement pool. That happened actually, okay, because right now every company is hiring like a remote only, so they are allowed to. But yes, some cases the main campus student can be benefited, but the thing is like admission is also based out of rank, na? So you have to take care and you have to compromise somewhere. Okay, now as you are taking admission, okay, so there are category fees also in Vellore. So minimum fees that candidate who score very good and taking admission in multiple branches, whether it's BCS, IT, EC, electrical, electronics, triple E, civil, mechanical, the minimum category fees is 2 lakhs for tuition fees, and rest depend upon hostel. Okay, rest depends, so you can take an average of 3 lakhs if you are going in category 1. Category 1 is a kind of an open what I can say college demand extra fee in order to upgrade your branch. Suppose your rank is, I'm giving an example, 1K. Okay, 1K, someone rank is 2K, someone rank is 3K. Now all want to study CSE. I'm just giving an example, this number are imaginary. Okay, so just try to relate the things. All candidate 1, candidate 2, candidate 3 all want to study CSE. It's like he will be selected if he want and seat is over after 1K, he need to pay category 2 fees and can get CSE. He need to pay category 3 fees and can get CSE. So it's like they are giving you an open opportunity in order to upgrade the branches if you are paying higher fees. Category 1 is 2 lakhs around, category 3 is 3, category 2 is 3, category 3 is 4L, category 4 is 5L, and so on. So it's like there are limit category also. You cannot go to category 100. There are 5 category, 5th category you can take. So whether it's good for you or not, I would be first telling you, see, exposure will be literally good if you are talking about in terms of private engineering college. Definitely you will be getting each and everything that you can expect in a college. Disciplines are also very good in compared to if you are comparing with any other private engineering college. There are so much concern about discipline. The competition are good because the intakes are good. You might be seeing VIT is also not easy to crack. That is a hard truth, guys. I would tell you that is a hard truth. So accept it, like see, because of the crowd only. It's not like I'm doubting on you. It's like 30K triple IT and IIT seats. After that, these colleges, all the candidates are appearing, and it's like not very easy, but yes, it's easy as compared to IITs and IIT triple IT is very easy to crack. Now, if you are appearing, just be prepared that you need to be ready with the fees of around minimum 12 to 14 lakhs. Why I am telling 12 to 14 lakhs? See, 2 into 4 and plus hostel fees plus other expenses. So minimum fees, minimum. Without scholarship, you have to pay this amount. Okay. Now the thing is like, see, each and every family in India is, see, we live in a diversity. We live in a place where people from multiple diversities are there. Each one have an aspirant to be an engineer. So that's why I told I will be bringing a series where I will talking regarding multiple colleges, what is good for you or what is bad for you. Even you can connect with me personally. You can find a top link below in the description box. From there you can book a slot with me, discuss personally that what exactly is good for you. There are 10-minute slots also, 15-minute slots also, 30-minute slot, 45-minute slot, 1 hour slot. Connect with me, even I will be telling you a better colleges out of the options or out of the budget that you are having. So that's why I told the minimum budget is like 12 to 14 lakh. Definitely you can get a bank loan of 7.5 up to 7.5 lakh without assets. But after that, that requires that your percentage are good. Minimum 60% and your colleges should lie under NACA. VIT will be following up. But yes, be prepared that 12 to 14 लाख लगेगा. अब suppose आपकी budget नहीं है, so good college होके भी कोई फायदा नहीं है. It's like यू कैन, आई वुड नॉट रिकमेंड कि हाँ कैटेगरी 4 में चले जाओ, 20 लाख रुपए भरो, साथ में तुम लोन ले लो. इट्स नॉट रिकमेंडेड यार. देयर आर ऑलवेज एन अल्टरनेटिव ऑप्शन. Okay, always a good option. A final output will be totally depending upon how much effort you are putting in these 4 years, what exactly you want to be, and how you are planning your 4 years. And at the end, all the things are multiplied by luck. I believe whatever effort you put, definitely some luck factor will be added in that. So it's like, see, if you are putting an effort some or the other way, the luck will be coming. You will be getting something late, but yes, you will be getting. So no worry on that, but put as much as you can, because you know that the thing that is in our circle of control is to give the best. Okay, that's all. Luck is not in our circle of control, that is in the control of our God. So leave it. So I told about the category fees, I told about the campuses, why you should fill. The application fees is 1350. You should definitely apply if you are ready or you are planning for private engineering college. Category fees I told and explain. Even I will be talking about the ranks, whatever ranks you are getting, as per that what branches you can get. Suppose if the results are out, you can check out my top and link, book a slot with me, connect with me, and yes, can discuss the better option after VIT. Even in VIT, whether which campus you should go, what is good, what is bad. Even as a parent you want to know, connect with me. Definitely I will be helping you out with all the genuine content, because I have a spectrum of my team members who are the alumni of VIT Vellore. So it's like I can give you a better outcome. Now, क्यों भरना चाहिए, क्यों नहीं भरना चाहिए? मैं क्यों नहीं भरना चाहिए उसका रीजन दे दिया. Suppose if you are not into this spectrum, definitely fine, there are other option too. But yes, don't get fed with other option. It's like check about the college well. वो खाली सस्ते कॉलेज अच्छे नहीं होते, but you have to do a research in a better way. This is a genuine college only. Okay. Now 12 से 14 लाख मैं आपको बताया. अब क्यों भरना चाहिए? बहुत अच्छा है. ऑलमोस्ट सारे सर्विस इंडस्ट्री, बिग 4, trading based firm, business consulting firm, even nowadays means intelligence, trading, design, multiple segment of companies are visiting this college. They are hiring the candidates, they are placing it in a multiple spectrum, multiple domain, and yes, definitely a better choice if you are planning for a private university. That I would repeat again and again. But the people who think that this amount is not suitable, I will be recommending you something different. Okay, so if you want to know more regarding VIT EEE 2022, how you can prepare, what exactly they are expecting, I will be talking on another video, because this video is being stressed. To know more regarding colleges, which colleges are good or not as per the budget college, expensive college, because there are many people who are looking, यार पैसा कुछ भी लगे, कॉलेज अच्छे मिलने चाहिए. चलो ये सब बातें बाद में करते हैं. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो लाइक करना, वीडियो खराब लगा हो या डिसलाइक करके कमेंट में बताना क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे. एनी डाउट कमेंट में पूछ लो. पर्सनल कनेक्ट चाहिए, टॉपमेट पे सेशन बुक कर लो, बुक करना फिल करना चाहिए नहीं, पूछ लो वो भी कमेंट में. एंड यस, इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट इंस्टाग्राम पे पिंग भी कर सकते हो. चलो मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो में, एक नई इन्फॉर्मेटिव कंटेंट के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय.
We're